Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Microsoft 365 OneDrive files using file history step by step clearly. Open your Windows computer. Type file history into the search bar. Select file history from the search results. Ensure your external drive or backup location is connected. Click on Select Drive in the file history window. Choose your external drive from the list. Click OK to confirm your selection. Now, click on Turn On to enable file history. Next, navigate to your OneDrive folder. Click on the OneDrive icon in the taskbar. Select Open your OneDrive folder from the menu. Once the OneDrive folder is open, go back to the file history window. Click on Exclude folders to prevent any unnecessary files from being backed up. Add specific folders that you do not want to include, if needed. Return to the main file history screen. Click on Advanced Settings on the left panel. Ensure your schedule settings are set as per your preference. You can select how often you want file history to back up files. After adjusting settings, return to the main file history window. Click on Run to start your first backup immediately. Wait for the backup process to complete. Once finished, you'll see a message confirming the backup. Close the file history window. Your OneDrive files are now backed up using file history. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.